how to connect TikTok pixel to Wix website. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply create a pixel in TikTok Ads Events Manager, choose the manual installation setup and then select the standard mode pixel. Then you'll need to implement the pixel base code in Wix as custom code, and once implemented, set up your events in TikTok Ads Events Manager. Now, how can I find my pixel? So on TikTok Ads Manager, click Assets, then click Events, and then on the website pixel, click Manage. And from this page, you'll be able to view all of your account's pixel. Then you're gonna have to simply copy the code and then simply go to Wix, then click on Add Elements, and then you're gonna have to simply select embed code here, and then you're gonna have to simply select embed HTML, and then simply enter the code and then simply click on apply, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.